In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in a Coda IO table. If you've ever worked with a busy table in Coda and wished you could focus on just the information that matters right now, hiding a column is a quick, clean way to reduce visual clutter without deleting any data. This approach is especially useful when you're sharing a doc with teammates who only need to see certain fields, or when you're building a streamlined view for a meeting or report. First, make sure you're looking at the table that contains the column you want to hide. Each column has a header at the top. This is the label or name of the column. That header is your target. Move your cursor directly over the header of the column you want to hide. You'll want to use a right click on that header. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works as a right click, and on some keyboards, there's a context menu key you can use. The key point here is that you're opening the context menu for that specific column header, not the cell or the table background. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option labeled Hide Column and select it. The moment you choose that option, Coda will remove that column from view in your current table. You'll notice the remaining columns shift left to fill the space, and your table becomes easier to scan. Importantly, hiding a column does not delete anything. All the data in that column remains intact behind the scenes. Formulas and references still work, and any calculations that depend on that column continue to update normally. You're simply changing what's visible in this table view. This small change can make a big difference in clarity. If you're preparing a focused view for collaborators, hiding columns helps keep attention on the fields that matter most. It also keeps your workspace tidy as your tables grow and your schema gets more sophisticated. Remember that visibility is often view-specific in Coda, so you can keep a detailed master table elsewhere while presenting a streamlined version here. And if you ever need that information again, you can return to the same place to manage visibility later. That's all there is to it. Right-click the header of the column you want to hide, then choose Hide Column from the drop-down menu. It's a fast, non-destructive way to simplify your table and keep your workflow clean. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more focused Coda experience.